My name is Syed Shiraz Shah and welcome to NewsX Auto. In this video, as you would have guessed from the title, I'll give you the highway review of this motorcycle, which is the Suzuki Katana. And see, essentially this video will comprise RPM at 100 kilometers per hour and even at 120. Okay, because some of you would want to tour on this motorcycle and you would want to know what RPM it maintains at 100 kilometers per hour, 120. And it would not be all boring because I think in the next 10 seconds I will show you the first gear top speed. Why? Because I want to know that myself. The S1000 redlined at 138 kilometers per hour in the first gear. This I think has a bigger rear sprocket, so it would be less than 138, but I think it should still cross 100. So yep, let's begin. No, I'm not redlining right now because there's a corner approaching. I'll have to ensure that I get a clear stretch. And if you'll see my other videos, especially on Real Auto Reviews, that's my personal channel, there are a number of people driving on the wrong side. So I think here I can all right. Oh, it's still what? It did 140. I have not switched off the traction control. Okay, it's still at 1 and the front wheel still did lift. Lord. Shiraz, you are here to tell them the RPM at 100. Oh Lord, this motorcycle is so addictive that I just wanted to twist the throttle. Oh, I'll tell you what, for those 4 seconds or less, Dom said for those 10 seconds or less, on super bikes we say for those 4 seconds or less. I completely forgot about the purpose of this video. Alright, 100 what, 4,200 RPM, because yeah, so these are 5 bars, right? So each bar would represent 200 RPM. So yeah, 4,200 RPM. Let's take it to 120. Let's just take it to 5,000 RPM and see what it is like. 120. Just a shade below. That was just a shade below 5,000 RPM. So what would be 6,000 RPM? 140. I think so. Yes, sir. Alright. I will also tell you about vibrations. See, at 140 kilometers per hour right now. Okay. Let me first tell it to you about 120. See, 120, most would not even feel the faint buzz in the pegs, and yes, in the handlebars as well. Not bar, this is a straight bar. These are not, it does not have clip-ons. So singular, the handlebar. So there is even at I'll have to of course slow down to 100. At 100, of course, there are almost zero vibes. Okay, you would not even refer to them as vibrations. And see, at 120, I can tell it to you right now, you know, it's not necessary that I have to take it up to 120 every time I talk about 120 and all other speeds. So even at 120, there is a, okay, at 100 there was not even a faint buzz in the seat. At 120 there is. But can you maintain this all day? Yes sir, you can. At 130, that faint, now you can term, at 130 you can term the buzz as vibrations. But again, you would not mind it, you know, while touring. At 140, surprisingly, for 1000cc, the buzz should have been, you know, a bit milder. Yeah, at 140 now, Dr. Dre's Keep Their Heads Ringing is playing in the background. But honestly, it is, you know, the intensity is not that much which will compel you to back off. No. Yes sir. At 150, again, the, you know, thankfully that buzz is not, or why am I still calling it buzz? The vibrations are not amplifying at 150. See, I'll tell you what, the long and short of it is of, you know, the vibrations part of it. I think anywhere in the world, except perhaps the autobahns in Germany, okay, you would be touring at 120, 130, and yes, that is something that you can do all day. And 150, so even at WOT, what? Wide open throttle. Okay, I'm happy to report that the vibrations, they do not get amplified. Alright, so yes, you know, you can cruise at 120, 130, 140, and you can have those short bursts, okay, into the higher realms of the speedo. Every time you do that, I think your HB count increases. You know, what is that happy hormone? Serotonin, you know, dopamine, all of that increases. That's why you buy a liter class. So yeah guys, I hope you liked the video, and do hit that like button, do subscribe if you haven't already, do leave a comment, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Woo-hoo!